Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to crop videos on TikTok without using any apps. First, you need to download TikTok and then click TikTok. Click the icon, plus icon. You can record a video, or if you have a videos on your gallery, then choose a video. I choose Joey.
Hey,
And then we need to
how you doing?
turn off the sound. Save. And to crop that video, you can pinch the the video, and then slide it to your right or left. And then that's it. That's how you crop a video on TikTok. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.